हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 10th हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर नंबर 3 नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया। इस वीडियो में हम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे जो बोर्ड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द रॉलेट एक्ट? आंसर, रॉलेट एक्ट गिव द गवर्नमेंट enormous powers to suppress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. In other words, the act proposed no appeal, no vakil, and no dalil. Next question, why was the Rowlatt Act imposed? Answer, the imposing of Rowlatt Act authorized the government to imprison any person without trial and conviction in a court of law. Next question, in which session of the Indian National Congress was the demand for Purn Swaraj formalized? Answer, Lahore session, December 1929. Next question, who composed Vande Mataram? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question, who created the first image of Bharat Mata? Answer, Avindranath Tagore. Next question, what combination of colors was there in the Swaraj flag designed by Gandhiji in 1921? Answer, red, green and white. Next question, why was the Khilafat movement started? Answer, Khilafat movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi and the Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, in response to the harsh treatment given to the Caliph of Ottoman Empire and the dismemberment of the Ottoman Empire by the British. Next question, what was the main reason to withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement as the movement had turned violent in many places. The Chauri Chaura incident in 1922 turned into a violent dash and 22 policemen were killed. Gandhiji felt satyagrahis were not ready for mass struggle. Next question, which act did not permit plantation workers to leave the tea garden without permission? Answer, Inland Immigration Act of 1859. Next question, name two main satyagraha movement organized by Mahatma Gandhi successfully in favor of peasants in 1916 and 1917. Indigo Planters Movement in Champaran, Bihar in 1916. Peasant Satyagraha Movement was organized in Kheda district in Gujarat in 1917 to support peasants in the demand for relaxation of revenue collection. Next question, who is the author of the famous book Hind Swaraj? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, which novel was the Vande Mataram included and who was the novel written by? Answer, novel Anand Math, author Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Short answers, explain the idea of Satyagraha according to Gandhiji. Answer, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915 from South Africa. Gandhiji's novel method of mass agitation is known as Satyagraha. Satyagraha emphasized truth. Gandhiji believed that if the cause is true, if the struggle is against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressor. A Satyagrahi can win the battle through non-violence. People, including oppressors, had to be persuaded to see the truth. Truth was bound to ultimately trump. Gandhiji believed that drama of non-violence could unite all India. Next question, explain the effects of worldwide economic depression on India towards late 1920s. Answer, in 19th century, colonial India had become an exporter of agricultural goods and an importer of manufactures. The worldwide economic depression immediately affected Indian trade. India's exports and imports nearly halved between 1928 and 1934. As international prices crashed, prices in India also plunged. Peasants producing for the world market were worst hit. Though agriculture price fell, the colonial government refused to reduce revenue demands. Peasants' indebtedness increased. For example, jute producers of Bengal in these depression years, India became an exporter of precious metal, notably gold. Next question. Explain any three facts about the new economic situation created in India by the First World War. Answer. The First World War created a dramatically new economic situation in India. Manchester imports into India declined as the British mills were busy with war production to meet the needs of the army, paving the way for the Indian mills to supply for the huge home market. Next, as the war prolonged, Indian factories were called upon to supply war needs. As a result, new factories were set up, new workers were employed, and everyone was made to work longer hours. Next point, cotton production collapsed and exports of cotton cloth from Britain fell dramatically the war as it was unable to modernize and compete with US, Germany, Japan. Hence, within colonies like India, local industrialists gradually consolidated their position, capturing the home market. Next question. How did the plantation worker understand the idea of Swaraj? Explain. Answer. For the plantation workers of Assam, Swaraj meant freedom to move freely in and out of the confined space in which they all were enclosed, and also to be able to keep the link with their native village intact. Under the Inland Immigration Act of 1859, plantation workers were not allowed to leave their tea gardens without permission, which they were rarely given. When they heard of the non cooperation movement, thousands of workers, defiant authorities, left the plantations and headed home. Next question. Explain the circumstances under which Gandhiji decided to call off the civil disobedience movement in 1931. Answer. Gandhiji decided to call off the civil disobedience movement in 1931 because political leaders like Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan were arrested. More than 1 lakh people were arrested. Government responded with brutal repression and peaceful satyagrahis were arrested. Women and children were beaten up. It resulted in as uprising in Peshawar in 1930. Industrial worker in Sholapur attacked police post in Chittagong. The revolutionaries captured the armory and pitched battle was fought between the government troops and the revolutionaries. In such a situation, Gandhiji called off the movement and the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed. Next question. How had the First World War created a new economic situation in India? Explain with three examples. Answer. The First World War was created a dramatically new economic situation in India. Manchester imports into India declined as the British mills were busy with war production to meet the needs of the army, paving the way for the Indian mills to supply for the huge home market. Next, as the war prolonged, Indian factories were called upon to supply war needs. As a result, new factories were set up, new workers were employed, and everyone was made to work longer hours. Next point, cotton production collapsed and exports of cotton cloth from Britain fell dramatically after the war as it was unable to modernize and compete with US, Germany, Japan. Hence, within colonies like India, local industrialists gradually consolidated their position, capturing the home market. Long answers. First question: explain any five major problems posed by the First World War in India. Answer: the outbreak of the First World War had created a new economic and political situation in India. The increased defense expenditure was financed by war loans and by rising taxes, rates, custom duties, etc. There was tremendous price rise during the war years between 1913 and 1918. The prices had almost doubled. People, particularly common people, were facing extreme hardships. Forced requirement in the army caused widespread anger in the villages. The failure of crops in many parts of India had created food shortage, leading to the added misery of the people. In addition to this, there was the outbreak of the great influenza epidemic. Millions of people perished due to influenza and starvation. The nationalist movement grew stronger during the war years. A large number of Muslims were drawn into the anti British struggle during the war. The defense of the Caliphate, Khilafat, became an important question for Muslim. Peasant movement during war period also had helped the nationalist movement to grow stronger. Next question: what was Gandhiji's idea behind launching the non cooperation movement? Mention four proposals suggested by Mahatma Gandhi with reference to non cooperation movement. Answer: Mahatma Gandhi felt in his book Hind Swaraj 1909 that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of India. It was survived because of their cooperation. If the Indians refuse to cooperate, British rule in India will collapse and Swaraj would come. Proposals suggested by Mahatma Gandhi with reference to non-cooperation movement. According to Gandhiji, non-cooperation could become a movement by unfolding in a stage. It would begin with the surrender of titles that the government awarded and a boycott of civil services, army, police, courts, and legislative council, school, and foreign goods. Then, if the government used repression, a full civil disobedience campaign would be launched. Throughout 1920, Gandhiji and Shaukat Ali toured extensively, mobilizing popular support for. Next question: how did the civil disobedience movement come into force in the various parts of the country? Explain with example. Answer: civil disobedience movement came into force in various parts of the country. Gandhiji led to the Salt March from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi with his followers, starting the civil disobedience movement. Thousands in different parts of the country broke the salt law, manufactured salt, and demonstrated in front of government salt factories. In the countryside, the rich patidars of Gujarat and Jats of Uttar Pradesh were active in the movement. As rich communities were very hard hit by the trade depression and falling prices, they became authentic supporter of the civil disobedience movement. As the depression continued and cash invoice dwindled, the small tenants found it difficult to pay the rent. They wanted the unpaid rent to the landlords to be remitted, and thus they joined the movement. Merchants and industrialists supported the movement by giving financial assistance and also be refusing to buy and sell the imported goods. The industrial working class of Nagpur region also participated in the civil disobedience movement. Railway workers, dock workers, minerals of Chota Nagpur, etc., participated in protest rallies and boycott campaigns. Next question. Dalit participation was limited in the civil disobedience movement. Examine the statement. Answer. The abstract concept of Swaraj did not move the nation's untouchables who, from around the 1930, had begun to call themselves Dalit or oppressed. The Congress had ignored the Dalits for the fear of offending the Sanatanis, the conservative high caste Hindus. Gandhiji persuaded upper caste to change their heart. He himself cleaned toilets to dignify the work of Bhangi. He called the untouchables Harijans, organized satyagrah to secure them entry into temples and access to public wells, tanks, and schools. The Dalit leaders were keen on a different political solution, political empowerment they believed would resolve the problems of their social disability. They began demanding reserved seats in educational institutions and a separate electorate that would choose Dalit members for the Legislative Council. इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। इस वीडियो में उन सभी क्वेश्चंस को लिया गया है जो पिछले कुछ सालों से बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आए हैं। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे आपको आने वाले नए अपडेट के बारे में पता चल सके, और लाइक करें और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। धन्यवाद।